So it's down to 35 degrees duct to dash temperature outside. It's 32 degrees at the line right there, even with the hot air going on it. They have no thermostat. They bypass the thermostat. They have it riding all the time. So the thermostat is right here. Check this out. And this is where I'm taking the temperature right there. It's 35 degrees coming out of there. And there's the thermostat, the 1960 style right there. But you see the wire connectors right there? There's nothing connected to the thermostat. They have the compressor and the blower fan motor wired together, hardwired. There's no control over the temperature. So this little gas-filled temperature sensor here going down to the evaporator is doing nothing. It doesn't control the temperature. And as you can see, still got ice right there, and then occasionally there's ice right here. You can feel it super. It's not white, but it's icy right here. It was white a minute ago, but it's just melting. So as the expansion valve is controlling up and down, it's trying to control the superheat, and it's keeping the suction line back to the compressor just at the borderline of going in and out of ice. But that's because there's no thermostat. It's just 1-to-1 all the time. The guys who hooked this up. So, all right, so we're good for today. This is working. There's no problems. I'll see you guys.